Well, hello there, my fellow YouTubers and Etsy followers. I'm here to show you a couple more of my custom made junk journals I have done this week. The first one, this gal, she wanted hers done with sage green and forest green colors. I put 3 signatures in here and coordinated buttons and beads on the signature ties. This fabric is machine stitched around the perimeter with some like sage green thread mixture. And the title, I fussy cut a butterfly and backed it on some vintage paper, added a metal nameplate with the journal wording underneath, and the pocket holds a tag that has some of her favorite colors in it. And her animals are cats and butterflies and animals. These covers, I do them all with padded envelope sandwiched in between the cardboard and the fabric. There's a library pocket, fussy cut butterfly, and I did put a dangle here with a couple of gemstones from my stash that were her colors that she liked. And this is done with compass and ink digital papers, collage papers, journal pages that I had purchased off of Etsy. And I incorporated scrapbook papers with the colors and created some pockets. And here is a banker's envelope. There's a free template on Pinterest you can get. I put a coffee stained receipt in there with a stamp of some pine cones and a tag with some butterflies and some fussy cut butterflies on there. And she loves kitties, so I added some kitty vintage stationery that I have, and just little pockets throughout with little tags, tickets, ephemera, brown paper bag for a side pocket, journal tag, little envelope with the mushrooms, with a little place to put your secret little notes, and it's stuck in there pretty good. I won't get it out, you know, the routine. Coffee dyed lined papers. This is harder cardstock, stamped images and fabric ruffles that are stitched and glued on there. Beautiful stamps that I have. Little tuck spot with more journal tags and a pocket at the top with a vintage postcard. And I put lined the scraps that I cut off the sides of my notebook paper. It comes from a composition notebook. I save those and then I adhere them to the back of things so that people can do their journaling use them as journal cards. More fussy cut butterflies and a squirrel. And these are green dyed pages. They look like watercolor drips. And here's from a calendar with kitties. Isn't that cute? Cute little kitties. More pages. The other side of that manila envelope with a tuck spot with a couple of little tags. And then there's one up here, postcard. And I've made these into tags from a calendar. It was like the inside cover or the back cover of a calendar, so they're thicker paper. And here's Fussy Cut big green butterfly tag on the side pocket, little pocket up there. This has a torn corner pocket with a coin envelope and a tag. Cute little chipmunk. All these goodies. And some more goodies, tags, ephemera, little tuck pocket down at the bottom. This is a white paper bag, beautiful butterfly eye Fussy Cut from journal tag. There's another little pocket on that side for a tag journal card. Green pages, manila envelope. There's pocket with some tags. I added some rickrack on the side. Little pocket here. Pocket up there with another postcard. And there's the vellum page, and I did some stamping on the corner there. More coffee dyed lined papers. Digital image for this from this collection from Compass and Ink. Here's a color page of a kitty, wild kitty, and all these beautiful pages. You know the routine, all the good journal spots. The other side of the vellum page with some more stamping on the side. A canoe on a riverbank by a tree. I love using my stamps because I have so many stamps, and it gives me a reason to use them. So I'm glad that I can use stuff that I otherwise don't really use it in my personal scrapbooking. And I love making junk journals for people. They just tell me what colors they want, and I just come up with something. There's some tickets, some vintage tickets. And there's some washi tape. And I took this off of a part that I cut off from a calendar, and I just wrapped it around, made a little pocket there, and a pocket right there. And there's a side pocket, journal card, another little tuck, vintage butterfly. And this is a upper tuck pocket. And here's the receipt, and I have some kitty stamps that I stamped that coffee dyed receipt. Oops, there I go. And we got one more signature left. I'll make it quick. And there's some coffee dyed statement that I put a stamp on. And some cute stationery from my stash with a bird. A couple of pages here with the bird that says love. And lots of tags, more tickets. This is some really cool book pages I made into a side pocket. There's a road. This is some United States photographs of the Midwest. There's the deer stamp. Cool mushrooms. And here's some writing spaces. Ledger paper. Here's another color page with some cats. There's some green dyed pages. Pretty ferns, little bunny. Here's some writing pages, and here's the side pocket made out of some book pages. And there's also a poem here. And here's the 2-tiered pockets. And this is out of a stationery book I have with some kitties. I put some kitty stickers on this. Some more journal spots. And here's another coffee dyed statement that I put some stamped images on. And all these good tags and stuff. And that is it for that one. And the next one, this girl, she wanted an ocean theme, anything to do with the ocean. So, and her colors were light blue and light orange. So I got the buttons and beads there on the spine. Got a little pocket right here that holds a tag, and I'll make a little personal message there for her. And I had a seashell that I attached as a dangle there. And I found lots of, oh, this is from Compass and Ink, these ocean pages, Sea Life. There's a whale and there's octopus, and I got some light orange cardstock, textured cardstock here, and just put a lot of tags and stuff from different stuff I got. I got a lot of, some stuff I bought this Sea Life stuff from Dear Julie a year or so ago. She has some really cute vintage beach images that I added in here. And this is from a calendar. And I got some free printables off of Pinterest with some scientific names of different plants in the ocean. I'll just flip through this stuff. These are all dyed with blue food coloring. Fussy cut octopus. There's a journal card up here with some ocean life algae. There's pelican and some of my, I got to use some of my ocean sea type themed stamps. And I've got a seahorse here for a color page. And up here I've got, I made a notepad and sewed it at the top. Little notepad. And I fussy cut some different dolphins and glued them onto this page. There's all those pages. Side pocket. And there's a bunch of, oh, I just love this one. This is one of my favorite ones. I think that's from the Dear Julie images. And they're so cute. And I got these off of Pinterest, these little vintage advertisements for tulip soap. Made them into tags. Look at that beautiful paper. Ocean paper. Here's some more pockets, more goodies. Oh, I love this one. I got this one off of Pinterest. Isn't that so cute? Now if I could find the pockets. There we go. That beautiful papers. And, oh, one of these. Oh, this one goes in this little belly band right there. I put some glue on top of this because this kind of ribbon, it wants to slip off real easy. So I hardened it and glued it right there so it wouldn't slip off and lose it. I got a couple of things in here. Here's some octopus. Here's this scripture from a calendar with like a tropical views. Look at how that coffee dye or that blue dyed papers turned out. So cool. I think they're so cute. There's a little crabby. And there's a little side pocket there. Oh, that one's cute. I like that one. Journal card. She's getting lots of ephemera in this one. Because I went crazy finding all kinds of cool ephemera. And these are all different whales. I won't take them out. But I backed them up on cardstock. I printed on regular copy paper, cut them out, backed them up on cardstock, and then stitched around them. There's a bunch there, and there's also that beautiful paper. There's also some in this belly band right there. All kinds of different whales. It's like an education, this whole thing. You learn all your scientific names of sea life and all the different birds, all the different seagulls. And there's a cool sailboat there. Ocean blue. And here is another color page of a whale. Lots of writing spots. Last year forever. These are really cute. I put these on graph index cards, made them into tags, stitched around them. The different kinds of seashells here. And then I fussy cut a bunch of seashells and put them on a blue doily there. There's a little belly band. And I backed this on some music paper. Gorgeous lighthouse. And here's a torn pocket page with a bunch of ephemera, tags. And that is it for that one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.